Alright guys, let's get started. As you can see on my screen, what we are doing here is you have to back up. Let me select my pen. So what's happening is you have to back up your data. It could be your files, could be your videos, but you want it to be backed up so that in terms of if your computer one day crashes one day, and it can happen anytime, computers crash, so your files are secure and your videos or your any sort of file is secure. So what I did is I bought this 1 TB hard disk, which cost me just $99, and then now I know that my data is secure. All you have to do is if your OneDrive is on C drive, you have to unlink it and then you have to link it to the drive letter you have got on your computer with plugging in your hard disk, which could be a D drive or E drive, and then all you have to do is link your OneDrive. You have to sync it with, so as you can see, your OneDrive is syncing with external hard disk. You have to do that. It's very cheap. If you have important data, you don't want to lose it. You have some financial documents, you have some family photos, you don't want to lose them. All you have to do is what I did was I pay $10 a month for this plan, and it gives me 1 TB of data. So my current OneDrive data is syncing to my external hard disk, which is actually 4 TB, and God forbid if my computer fails one day, it's gone and my hard disk is gone, I still have my data secure on OneDrive, and then later I can sync it to any other drive. Next I'll show you how to unlink your drive and then mount it, sync it to your current drive, whichever you want to do. Let's do that. So we have to unlink the OneDrive now. I'll show you how to do it. So first step is you have to select your OneDrive icon and then go to settings. You have to right click on it and then you have to go to your accounts tab. Okay, and then because I've done this, I'll show it to you on a Word file. You have to go to your account and then you have to unlink your computer, and then when you open OneDrive, you will have this option to change the location. So then you have to select your location. So I'm selecting my 4 TB drive, and I've created a folder there, and it's just next from here. Sorry for the background fan noise. And then when you do next, make sure you don't select your desktop files, guys. And once this is done, that's it. And when you open your OneDrive, you will see your folders getting synchronized. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you.